Hi students, welcome back. In last class, we conclude our 7th chapter. Did you understand that chapter well? Anyway, today we consider 8th chapter, which is a polynomial. Do you know what a polynomial is? A polynomial is a mathematical expression of one or more algebraic terms, each of which consists of a constant multiplied by one or more variables raised to a non-negative integral power, such as a plus bx plus cx square. In another word, we can say polynomials are expressions with one or more terms with a non-zero coefficient. A polynomial can have more than one term. In the polynomial, each expression in it is called a term. Suppose x square plus 5x plus 2 is a polynomial. Then the expression x square, 5x and 2 are the terms of the polynomial. Do you get a brief idea of polynomial? Then look at the questions in page number 123. In it, first question says, if the length of the shorter side is x centimeter, then the length of the longer side is x plus 1 centimeter. Therefore, P is equal to 2 into x plus 1 because perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into 2x plus 1, that is 4x plus 2. Therefore, P of x is equal to 4x plus 2, right? Then consider second sub-question. Here we want to find area of rectangle. So remember the formula for find area. Do you remember it? Yes, it is L into B. Therefore, area is equal to x into x plus 1, that is x square plus x, by open the bracket by multiplying with the x. So area is equal to, it means, so a of x is equal to x square plus x, right? In the third sub-question, we have to find from P of 1 to P of 5 and find the patterns in their result. Let's start. P of x is equal to 4x plus 2. Therefore, P of 1 is equal to 4 into 1 plus 2. Just substitute 1 in place of x. That is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Likewise, P of 2 is equal to 4 into 2 plus 2, which is equal to 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. And P of 3 is equal to 4 into 3 plus 2. That means 4 into 3 is equal to 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. And P of 4 is equal to 4 into 4 plus 2. 4 into 4 is equal to 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. And P of 5 is equal to 4 into 5 plus 2. Means 4 into 5 is equal to 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. Here the results are 6, 10, 14, 18 and 22. Therefore, the pattern we find here is the value increased by 4 in order from P of 1 to P of 5. Now read the second question. From four corners of a rectangle, small squares are cut off and the sides are folded to make a box. Then ask us to find dimensions of the box in terms of x, right? First question. Here, length is equal to 7 minus 2x centimeter, breadth is equal to 5 minus 2x centimeter, height is equal to x centimeter. Right. Then the second question. In the second sub-question, ask us to find volume of the box. First of all, remember, volume of a box is L into B into H. That is, V of x is equal to 7 minus 2x into 5 minus 2x into x. That is equal to 35 minus 14x minus 10x plus 4x square into x. That is equal to 35 minus 24x plus 4x square into x. Hence, 35x minus 24x square plus 4x cube. Therefore, V of x is equal to 4x cube minus 24x square plus 35x. In the third sub-question, we have to find V of 1 by 2 and V of 1 and v of 1 and 1 by 2. So, v of 1 by 2 is equal to 4 into 1 by 2 the whole cube minus 24 into 1 by 2 the whole square plus 35 into 1 by 2. Just substitute 1 by 2 in place of x. So, 4 into 1 by 8 minus 24 into 1 by 4 plus 35 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 35 by 2. That is equal to 1 minus 12 plus 35 by 2 is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12. Then v of 1 is equal to 4 into 1 cube minus 24 into 1 square plus 35 into 1. Substitute 1 in place of x. Therefore, 4 minus 24 plus 35, that is equal to minus 20 plus 35 is equal to 15. In v of 1 and 1 by 2 means v of 3 by 2 when converted into improper fraction. That is, v of 3 by 2 is equal to 4 into 3 by 2 the whole cube minus 24 into 3 by 2 the whole square plus 35 into 3 by 2. Substitute 3 by 2 in place of x. So, 4 into 27 by 8 minus 24 into 9 by 4 plus 35 into 3 by 2. That is equal to 27 by 2 minus 54 plus 105 by 2. Hence, 27 minus 108 plus 105 by 2, which is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12. Therefore, v of 3 by 2 is equal to 12. Look at third question. In it, first sub-question asks us to write the relation between a of x and x in rectangles made with a 1 meter long rope. So, first sub-question, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. If length of one side is x centimeter, then length of the other side is 50 minus x centimeter. Therefore, area enclosed is equal to a of x is equal to x into 50 minus x is equal to 50x minus x square. That is, a of x is equal to 50x minus x square, right? Second sub-question asks us why are the numbers a of 10 and a of 40 equal. First of all, solve a of x is equal to 50x minus x square for a of 10. That is, a of 10 is equal to 50 into 10 minus 10 square is equal to 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. Then a of 40. A of 40 is equal to 50 into 40 minus 40 square. That is 2000 minus 1600, which is equal to 400. Since 10 plus 40 is equal to 50 is the sum of the sides of the rectangle, then the numbers a of 10 and a of 40 are equal. Third sub-question asks us to get the same number as a of x for two different numbers as x. What must be the relation between the numbers? By the examples, we can see that it is true for any numbers whose sum is 50. If we take x is equal to 25, we will get the greatest area. The algebraic equation has only value for the values of x between 0 and 50. That's all for today. Thank you.